This is M7TV. I'm Vincent. This is Jay. Okay, today we're gonna show you how do we measure the breakaway torque. We say the braking torque, breakaway torque, lug nose torque. Actually, we're talking about the same thing. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Okay, come here. Today we're gonna show you the NC-4255, which is the highest impact range the 97 have for the moment. Okay, today we're gonna show you. We will use the torque range, this big torque range, and put it on the specific torque on the hydraulic gauge. Then we will use the NC-4255 to loosen it and see how much time it will take. Okay, first we're gonna use the torque multiplier, which is the 5:1 ratio. So, for example, like this one is the 1,627 Newton meter. Okay, we take it as 1,700, so that will be 1,700. As I said, this is a 5:1 torque multiplier ratio. So will be /5 is the 340. Okay, so we will use this to 340. 340. And this torque range reach 340, it will actually, the torque on this hydraulic machine is the 1,700 Newton meter. We will have our senior technician Jay help us to do this. But it takes a lot of time. We will use the big one to secure earlier, then we'll use the torque range. Okay, Jay, take your time. It's going to take a lot of time. Okay, first we'll put on the torque multiplier, which will help us to increase, to reach the torque faster. Okay, 340. Okay, we'll see. It's okay, 340. Exactly the right amount of the torque. And now we are going to use this one, the most powerful half-inch drive impact range in the world to the day, for the moment, 97. Jay. Okay, time. We'll see. How long does it take? We will loosen this knot.
Okay, time.
Okay, it's according to my screen, it's about 10 seconds. So it takes about 10 seconds to release which is our braking torque. It's around 10 seconds to release this knot. Okay, as you can see, it's the test result of this impact range, NC-4255. I hope you like the M7 TV today. I'll see you next time.